In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. This is your hub for managing all the elements of your online store. From the homepage, let's go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Products. Here you can view all the products currently available in your store. This page serves as your main catalog management tool, allowing you to organize and edit your offerings as needed. Now find the product you want to update. If your store stocks numerous items, you may need to use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly. Once you've selected the product, you'll be taken to a more detailed view where you can edit its information. Next, look for the option to add a variant. This step is crucial if you haven't previously set any variants for this product. Variants are useful for products that come in different options such as sizes or colors, allowing you to manage each alternative without creating a separate product listing. Click on Add Variant and you'll be able to specify these details. Once you're creating a variant, focus on the pricing aspect. You'll see a field labeled Price. This is where you can enter the sale price for this specific variant. Remember, the price you set here is what customers will see when browsing your store, so make sure it's both competitive and profitable. It's always a good idea to double check your figures to ensure you're not compromising your margins. In addition to the sale price, you'll notice another field titled Cost per Item. This entry is especially significant for tracking your profit margins and overall store performance. By inputting the amount you spend per unit, Shopify calculates gross profit to give you an overview of how much you earn per sale. It's an essential part of maintaining an efficient and profitable business operation. Finally, after you've entered the necessary details, click on Save Variant. This step ensures all your changes are secured and reflected on the storefront. There's nothing worse than losing your work because you forgot to save your progress. Once saved, these changes will be live on your store, meaning customers can see and purchase at the updated prices. And there you have it, a straightforward process for setting sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. Whether you're looking to clear out inventory or introduce new promotions, setting the right sale price can entice customers and boost your sales. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support. Until next time, happy selling.